Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce visual clutter. First, take a moment to observe your environment. Pinpoint the spots that feel most overwhelming, perhaps a desk piled high or a crowded countertop. Consider what kinds of items are creating the most visual noise. Are they papers, small gadgets, or decorative pieces? Setting clear, achievable goals, like clearing one surface completely, will guide your efforts effectively. Now, let's get hands-on. Choose one small area, like a single drawer or a shelf, and completely empty it. This gives you a clean slate. Next, sort every item into 4 distinct categories: keep, donate, discard, or relocate. Try to make decisions quickly, within 5 to 10 seconds per item, to maintain momentum and prevent decision fatigue. With your items sorted, it's time for smart storage. Maximize your space by thinking vertically. Consider shelves, wall-mounted organizers, or stackable bins. Opt for closed storage solutions, like cabinets or opaque boxes, to visually reduce the number of items on display. Remember to label everything clearly. This simple step saves you valuable time and effort when searching for specific items later. Finally, maintaining a clutter-free environment is key. Dedicate just 5 minutes each day to a quick tidy-up. This small habit prevents accumulation. Consider adopting a one-in, one-out rule for new purchases, ensuring your inventory remains balanced. Periodically reassess your space, perhaps once every 3 months, to ensure it continues to serve your needs and maintain that peaceful, organized feeling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.